1. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Custom Build. Price, $15,500, located Jefferson City, Missouri. The 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Custom Build is an extensively upgraded American muscle car that combines classic G-body styling with a long list of performance enhancements. Finished with a clean and aggressive appearance, this Monte Carlo has undergone significant mechanical improvements, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking a powerful street machine with modern reliability. The vehicle has been carefully assembled using quality components throughout and is reported to be in excellent condition. The drivetrain features a new turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with a shift kit and a high-performance 3400 stall converter. Power is delivered through a brand new Posey rear axle fitted with aggressive 4.10 gears for strong acceleration. Additional upgrades include a new oil pump, oil pan, MSD distributor, gear drive system, water pump, power steering components, serpentine pulley setup, alternator, and dual electric cooling fans. Performance improvements continue with Doug's headers, stainless steel exhaust, strip dominator intake manifold, and a new 750 Brawler carburetor. The interior has also received attention with new floors, sound-deadening material, fresh carpet, and a B&M shifter. With numerous recent upgrades and no trades requested by the seller, this Monte Carlo SS represents an excellent opportunity to own a well-built classic performance car ready for cruising, shows, or weekend enjoyment. 2. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Street Strip Car. Price, $9,700, located Hartman, Arkansas. The 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Street Strip Car is a well-built performance machine that delivers serious horsepower while remaining fully capable of street driving. Finished in a bright yellow exterior, this classic Malibu has been carefully assembled with quality components and has seen only limited use since completion. With just a handful of street miles and approximately 10 drag strip passes, the vehicle remains fresh and ready for its next owner to enjoy. Power comes from a professionally built 388 cubic inch stroker small block Chevrolet engine featuring 11:1 compression, scat crankshaft and connecting rods, probe pistons, roller valve train components, and a custom-ground Doug Herbert camshaft. The balanced rotating assembly and Dart Eagle cylinder heads contribute to impressive performance and reliability. An MSD ignition system and a 175-shot nitrous setup provide even more power when needed. Backing the engine is a built turbo 350 automatic transmission paired with a 4000 stall converter and 4.10 rear gears. New front tires and large Mickey Thompson rear tires complete the package. This Malibu represents an affordable opportunity to own a powerful street and strip car that would cost significantly more to duplicate today. 3. 1994 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price, $20,000, located Hamel, Illinois. The 1994 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed is a highly modified turbocharged performance truck built with exceptional attention to detail and premium racing components. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a gray interior, this compact pickup combines lightweight construction with modern LS power to create a serious street and strip machine capable of impressive performance. Under the hood is a built 5.3-liter iron block engine that has been professionally machined and assembled using Cali's forged connecting rods, CP pistons, RP fasteners, King bearings, and upgraded cylinder heads. Boost is supplied by a massive VSR 80mm turbocharger supported by a large front-mounted intercooler and advanced CO2 boost control system. Fuel delivery is handled through a MagnaFuel system with high-capacity injectors and flex fuel capability. The drivetrain includes a built 4L80E transmission with billet components and a Circle D converter. Additional upgrades include a narrowed Ford 8.8 rear axle, Caltrac suspension, Holley digital instrumentation, Griffin aluminum radiator, and racing shocks. This Chevrolet S10 offers outstanding performance, reliability, and versatility for serious enthusiasts. 4. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Car. Price, $23,000, located Oldville, Iowa. The 1992 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a purpose-built third-generation race machine designed for competitive drag racing while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a classic Camaro. Finished in red with a black interior, this vehicle has been extensively upgraded and engineered to deliver consistent performance on the strip. The combination of proven racing components and careful construction makes it a serious contender for racers seeking a turnkey package. Power is supplied by a 434 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built around a little M block and equipped with shaft-mounted rocker arms. The engine is paired with a power glide transmission and an A1 torque converter, creating a combination known for durability and repeatable performance. A 4-link rear suspension and 40-spline axles help transfer power efficiently to the racing surface. The vehicle is certified for competition and includes digital delay electronics, quick disconnect wiring for delay box operation, blinders for bottom bulb racing, and an APD alcohol carburetor. Recently serviced transmission components and new rear slicks further enhance reliability. This Camaro offers racers a proven foundation capable of competing in multiple racing classes. 5. 1970 Buick GS. Price, $45,000, located Kirksville, Missouri. The 1970 Buick GS stands as one of the most respected muscle cars of its era, combining powerful performance with comfort and refinement. Finished in an attractive green exterior, this California car represents an increasingly rare opportunity to own a genuine example from the golden age of American performance automobiles. Its classic styling and strong mechanical package make it highly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts alike. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor that delivers smooth acceleration and dependable performance. The vehicle features a 4-speed transmission, allowing drivers to fully enjoy the engaging experience that made muscle cars so popular during the early 70s. A posi-traction rear axle further enhances traction and performance. Additional factory-style features include power steering, air conditioning, and a tilt steering wheel for added comfort. The vehicle has accumulated approximately 132,000 miles while maintaining its appeal and drivability. With its combination of classic Buick styling, desirable equipment, and California heritage, this GS remains an excellent addition to any muscle car collection. 6. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price, $30,000, located Winona, Illinois. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a timeless American muscle car that continues to attract attention from collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior paired with a black interior, this first-generation Camaro captures the aggressive styling and performance image that helped establish Chevrolet as a dominant force during the muscle car era. With approximately 15,000 miles showing, this Camaro presents as a clean and well-maintained example. The vehicle carries a clean title and is reported to be free from significant damage or major issues. Its classic body lines, long hood, and sporty stance remain among the most recognizable designs ever produced by Chevrolet. The automatic transmission provides smooth and comfortable operation, making the vehicle suitable for both weekend cruising and local car shows. The black interior complements the exterior finish and helps create a timeless appearance that never goes out of style. Whether purchased as a collector vehicle, investment opportunity, or enjoyable weekend driver, this Camaro offers the character, heritage, and appeal that have made the model legendary among classic car enthusiasts. 7. 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe. Price, $30,000, located Boone, Iowa. The 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe is a stylish and distinctive classic that combines luxury features with sporty performance. Introduced as Mercury's upscale alternative to the Mustang, the Cougar quickly earned a reputation for its elegant design, hidden headlamps, and refined driving characteristics. This example is finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, creating a timeless and attractive appearance. The XR7 package added premium features that helped distinguish the Cougar from other vehicles of its era. Inside, the cabin offers a comfortable environment while maintaining the classic character that collectors appreciate. The vehicle remains fully drivable and is described as a fun car to enjoy on the road, making it ideal for weekend cruises, local events, and classic car gatherings. With approximately 60,000 miles, this Mercury continues to provide the unique experience that made the Cougar a success during the late 1960s. The combination of attractive styling, comfortable driving manners, and increasing collector interest makes this XR7 a desirable addition to any classic car collection. It offers both enjoyment and long-term appeal for enthusiasts seeking something different from the ordinary muscle car crowd. 8. 1972 Plymouth Cuda. Price, $28,000, located Dexter, Missouri. The 1972 Plymouth Cuda is an iconic Mopar muscle car that combines aggressive styling, strong performance, and excellent restoration potential. Finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, this classic Cuda remains one of the most recognizable performance cars from the golden era of American muscle. Originally equipped with a 340 engine, the vehicle has been upgraded with a significantly more powerful drivetrain to enhance both performance and driving enjoyment. Under the hood is a 400 cubic inch engine fitted with a 450 stroker kit, aluminum Edelbrock cylinder heads, Mopar purple camshaft, and an aluminum intake manifold. This combination provides substantial horsepower and torque while maintaining the aggressive character enthusiasts expect from a classic Cuda. The automatic transmission delivers smooth operation and dependable performance for cruising or spirited driving. Originally a California vehicle until 2020, the car benefits from solid floor pans and a generally well-preserved structure. Although it has spent several years in storage and may require minor attention, it is currently running and comes with a replacement quarter panel. This Plymouth represents an excellent opportunity to own a genuine Mopar legend with impressive performance upgrades already completed. 9. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo drag car. Price: $20,000, located DeWitt, Iowa. The 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo drag car is a purpose-built competition machine designed for consistent performance on both the eighth-mile and quarter-mile tracks. Built using high-quality racing components throughout, this Monte Carlo offers an outstanding combination of horsepower, durability, and proven track results. Its lightweight construction and professionally assembled chassis make it an excellent choice for serious racers seeking a turnkey race car. Power comes from a freshly serviced 374 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine producing approximately 680 horsepower. Recent updates include a new camshaft and fresh bearings, ensuring reliable performance. The drivetrain features a rebuilt Powerglide transmission and converter, while a strong Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with aggressive 5.13 gears helps transfer power efficiently to the track surface. The vehicle utilizes a professionally built S&W back half chassis, 4-link suspension, double adjustable shocks, motor plates, racing headers, and a flaming river steering system. Consistently running impressive elapsed times, this Monte Carlo has proven itself as a dependable performer. For racers looking for a competitive and well-sorted drag car, this Chevrolet offers exceptional value and track-ready capability. 10. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Estate Wagon. Price: $12,500, located Monette, Arkansas. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Estate Wagon is a unique classic wagon that blends family car practicality with traditional American V8 performance. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this vehicle stands out from ordinary wagons thanks to its powerful drivetrain and impressive overall condition. Its straight body lines and attractive paint make it a head-turning cruiser that is equally at home at local car shows or weekend gatherings. Under the hood sits a high-compression 400 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring a performance camshaft and strong running combination. The engine is paired with a TH400 automatic transmission that delivers dependable operation and smooth power transfer. The vehicle runs and drives well, although the transmission is reported to have a minor fluid leak that may require future attention. Additional highlights include new tires, rally wheels, replacement carpet, and new suspension components that accompany the sale. The body is described as exceptionally straight, while the paint presents very well. Combining classic wagon styling with muscle car performance, this Malibu Estate Wagon offers a rare and enjoyable ownership experience for enthusiasts seeking something different. 11. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z28. Price: $11,500, located Kansas City, Missouri. The 1986 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z28 is a classic performance coupe that captures the excitement of the third-generation Camaro era. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a black interior, this well-maintained example combines classic styling with substantial engine upgrades that significantly enhance performance. With only 2 owners throughout its life, the vehicle has received careful attention and numerous improvements. Power comes from a built 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with aluminum cylinder heads, an upgraded intake manifold, and a freshly rebuilt quick fuel 750 double pumper carburetor. This powerful combination delivers impressive acceleration and strong throttle response. Supporting upgrades include a Be-Cool aluminum radiator for improved cooling and a recently refreshed 3.90 posi traction rear axle. The Camaro also benefits from new door panels, fresh seals, updated window motors, powder-coated IROC wheels, and high-performance Toyoprox rear tires. These improvements help maintain both appearance and drivability. Whether used as a weekend cruiser, local show participant, or performance street car, this IROC Z28 provides an excellent blend of classic 80s styling and upgraded V8 performance. 12. 1974 Plymouth Space Duster. Price: $28,500, located Dexter, Missouri. The 1974 Plymouth Space Duster is a beautifully maintained classic Mopar that combines comfort, style, and everyday drivability. Finished in a striking red exterior with a white interior, this unique vehicle stands apart from ordinary muscle cars thanks to its distinctive appearance and desirable factory-inspired features. The Space Duster package remains popular among collectors because of its practical design and attractive styling. Power is supplied by a dependable 318 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, creating a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The vehicle has been upgraded with custom odometer gauges, 17-inch chrome Riddler wheels, and front disc brakes that improve both appearance and braking performance. The drivetrain remains reliable and well-suited for long cruises and weekend outings. Additional features include ice-cold air conditioning, a fold-down rear seat, and a crank-operated sunroof that enhances comfort and versatility. The vehicle is described as running and driving exceptionally well, making it ready to enjoy immediately. With its attractive presentation, desirable options, and growing collector appeal, this Plymouth Space Duster represents an excellent opportunity for classic Mopar enthusiasts.